start off with is to talk about the film itself. And I'd like to share my reactions to the film with you. I'm here really as a student. I want to learn from you as well because I'm doing my research for my own film on Hyderabad. As a third generation Hyderabadi, I have a deep connection to the city. And that's why I want to make a film, and I've started the research of it. I really saw this as an opportunity to come here and learn as well. So thank you really for inviting me. This film itself, I must say, I really loved it. This is the kind of documentary that speaks to me. I can pinpoint two reasons why this documentary on the city of Hyderabad really resonated with me. One reason is that 87, I was a student at GT, at University of Hyderabad, and this is the Hyderabad that I knew. You know, this is my Hyderabad, all of this that was on the film. So I was really feeling I came home in this film. And secondly, I'd like to say that this is really the kind of cinema, the kind of documentary that I admire. The reason for that is, and I'll speak just a little bit about it, and if you would like to talk, that would be a better way to proceed with this conversation. But I'll just start it off. Documentaries, usually we find, when we think of documentaries, is really boring. You know, there's one person whose voice will tell you what to think, what to feel, you know, and then you're just supposed to accept that. Whereas a documentary like this, you know, gives you the chance to think yourself, gives you a chance to experience the moment, the spaces in the film, you know, and get a real feeling of the city. I give you one or two examples to showcase this point that I'm trying to make, and if you can think of some that, you know, agree with my point of view or disagree, please feel free to say that. Even people on the panel, I don't want to, you know, talk on my own. For instance, you know, there's a scene, when you say a city, like Shankar Narayan Sahab was saying, a humanistic city, that is what we should aspire to. And this film really is that. The first example I'll try and sort of describe is, you know, the scene where the dead body is being taken. And the pallbearers are saying, Ram Naam Satya Hai, Satya Bolo Satya Hai. That is such a powerful moment for all, you know, it's a moment of, it's a rite of passage in all cultures, right? The procession in that visual, it's a long shot that we start with. A long shot is a shot that's taken from a certain distance. It passes through a graveyard. Okay? It goes through the graveyard and then we come out to a small structure where there is the funeral pyre, the body is laid, then the body is burnt. We see all of it. The filmmaker doesn't sort of, you know, quickly show you something and run off. He completes the whole thought. He takes you with that thought. And in the process of taking you along, he shows what? That this is a syncretic culture. What we've been talking about in this panel, what people have been, esteemed panelists here have been pointing out, such a simple visual showed us that. You know, and it doesn't just cut off abruptly like MTV and Zoom TV and all nowadays. It's not like that. The whole thing is followed. There's a finish. You know, there's a mourner at the funeral. In the back, you see him in the end in the long shot. You know, and AKB's camera sort of focuses on it. And then, as we zoom in, he notices the camera on him and he moves away. It's a moment of great dignity because I'm a mourner. Leave me alone. You know, and the camera also leaves. It's very sensitive, very beautiful filmmaking, and that's just one example I wanted to point out. So many things have been shown in this one scene, you know, and that's what makes the film rich and layered and informs the audience in, you know, in such a rich way. The other, one more scene I quickly do, and that is. You know, when we say Acha, the film should have the humanity of the city. So what is humanity? It is sorrow, it is joy, it is humor, it is beauty, it is heritage, history, all of this. Humor came out so beautifully in that one scene, and I'm sure you remember it. There's the traffic on the road, there's a big bus in the middle of the shot, there's a rickshaw in front of it. The policeman comes and says, hello, you know, he comes and rickshawala and the policeman are fighting, the bus is this monster, standing behind the rickshawala, behind the rickshaw. And the passenger is so funny. He's the one telling the bus, stop, stop. He's the one worried because his life, is right in front of the bus. So that's really a beautiful way to show humor in daily life. The daily life of the city shown so beautifully without some narrator saying, oh, Hyderabad is a city that has a lot of humor and a lot of humanity. You don't have a narrator telling you it. You actually see it. And it's only a very sensitive filmmaker, a very sensitive camera person who can actually capture things like that. So, just two examples. There are so many in this film. You all can come up with it also. I'll stop with just that because we don't have that much time. I will quickly tell you about my own film, and only reason is because I want to point out that while we have talked about the heritage and the culture and the history of our city, which is unique, there's one thing that I'm sure all of us know, but we didn't really point out in this particular panel, is that the landscape of our city, it is just stunning. The reason I set out to make this film, apart from the fact that it's my city and I love it, is my husband was sitting in the back. His aunt had come from New Jersey to visit Hyderabad, and I was taking her around to show Hyderabad. And America is a beautiful country. Everybody praises it, everybody knows it. But when I was taking her around, I found myself, so proud. And then at one moment, very emotionally, I said, because they're Hindi speaking, I'm speaking Hindi. I said, आपको ये नज़ारा दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. These rocks, this beautiful landscape that we have, nowhere else in the world is it so beautifully bound up, within the city, within life. And as Mr. Shankar Narayan pointed out, he began to point it out, in the course of, in quotes, development, we may not be giving it as much attention as we should. And that's really the focus of my film, the uniqueness of our city. And maybe, a call, a plea for some balance in our growth, so that we don't use this unique culture, this unique history, and this unique landscape that we have. So thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you everyone.